Welcome back. Bankruptcy may feel like rock bottom for many financially strapped Americans, but there is always good news and hope for those wanting to start all over again. I'm here talking dollars and cents with my finance friend David Evans from Evans Financial Group. Today we are discussing bankruptcy. David, let's get right to it because I know you have plenty of information on this. What should individuals be doing if they are filing for bankruptcy right now?
Well, first of all, if they filed, I think one of the things they're going to have to do going forward is assess their situation. And this is critical. Number one is, how did I get where I am?
Okay.
What mistakes did I make?
That's fair.
Financially, did I overspend? Did I, max out my credit cards and then get more credit cards or what have you?
Taking responsibility.
Right. So you assess your financial situation going forward, and maybe even set up a budget of income, what's coming in and what's going out. I think that would be critical. And then maybe tap into the resource of a financial advisor or a financial counseling service of some sort, so that would begin to set the steps for you going forward. I think the second thing is to rebuild your credit.
Okay.
Which is not an easy thing to do.
No.
Because your credit score has probably just taken a pretty good hit. Mm-hmm. And so now you have to begin to establish new credit, and to do that, an example might be you go to a bank and you give them $1,000 and then you borrow $1,000 against that and pledge it, but you make your payments on time. And it's critical that you make payments on time and you spread it out, because that longevity of making payments and consistency of making them on time is going to begin to rebuild your credit score, which is something that you should also be checking as time goes on to make sure that your credit score is going up in the right direction. I think the third thing is maybe consider financial counseling with either a credit counseling agency or a financial advisor. And then they can begin to help you establish a plan going forward. And what I mean by that is say, okay, where are we now? What income do we have coming in? Back to the same thing about budgeting. And what are the steps we can make going forward? And some of those steps may be we have to curtail some of the things that we've done in the past, some of the spending patterns that we've had in the past. Many times people get into bankruptcy because of spending more, they have more money going out than they have coming in.
Sure.
And it's recognizing that I have a spending problem, recognizing even the difference between what I want and what I need.
True.
Is critical as well.
Okay. So. And recognizing those patterns, just like you said, so that you don't repeat those mistakes.
That's
correct.
Right.
Yeah, taking a look at yourself. Well, thank you so much, David, for joining us today and for talking about this important topic, but also ways to turn it around.
Yep.
Thank you.
Thank you.